This is Eric Mwathe with Mwathe.com. It's Monday, 2 hours before the close on February 2nd, 2009. The market's pretty much trading at the lows, close to the lows of the day, down 120 points. And a couple of minutes, like half an hour ago, as I prepared this video, the market was trying to form. This is the NYSE 30-minute chart, and then the market was trying to find support here. We almost turned positive on the Dow. It was a kind of tough rebound if you are short, and we are still short, but we resisted the temptation to go long. But anyway, this market is very choppy, as you can see. A lot of really confusing intraday action where some financial stocks were making new highs and others were making new lows. Really confusing market environment. But what's really interesting, and I really have to say this, is this market has just played exactly the way we were expecting it to play coming into this week. And in fact, really starting late last week, especially with the gold play that I told you, be very careful going long gold, especially if you don't have stops, because that trade to me seemed to be stalling, and as of today, that's coming into fruition. Now, if we take a look at the Nikkei, and the reason why I bring this, this is the 1-year daily for the Japanese market, and what I wanted to bring to your attention is, as of yesterday's close, Monday their time, is we have this upward sloping gray line in which we seem to be we are forming some kind of a double top. Now we can either move out of that range, that's one scenario, or we can break down, scenario 2, and actually go and test these lows here, just above 7,000 on the Japanese market. Now there's also a possibility, given what's going on, we might even break those lows. Now in this video I'll talk about some of the plays that we can play today. Actually you should already be playing this, because this is part of what we were looking at coming into the new week. And also I have a new fast solar FSLR. I have some fast solar comments. They have good products, but we'll see whether the stock is a long or short, and that's gonna be at the tail end of the video. I think there's some money that can be made on the stock, and I'll show you what I'm looking at, and you guys can act upon it. Now if we take a look at the gold using IAU 1-year daily, actually I think it's 1.5-year daily, and like I said, if we draw the price channel top lines, that we needed to see gold move above this line, and right on cue we are stalling at the we kissed the high, and now we are rolling over. That's why I was saying there's really no hurry. The best gold can do is play around here below and then finally break out. But until it does that, I say we don't hold gold. Actually, the best way, if I was long gold, the best scenario was for gold to sell off really hard, shake out all these people who are holding gold, because this is the most crowded trade ever. I think everybody who could have bought gold already owns it. In fact, they are buying even more. So this is the most crowded trade, and the only way it's gonna work if you have the most violent shakeout. Okay, shake out all the weak hands, and then now you can move out of this range. Otherwise, gold is gonna be trading lower in the coming weeks unless it can break out first. Let me see whether there's something. Also, you see on the RSI we have this resistance that I was talking about last week, that it came straight into resistance and stalled. Now what is really interesting to me, if you take a look at the UUP, the pro shares for the dollar, And what's interesting is, and I asked the question because I don't know, is could it be possible that gold is gonna stall and the dollar is gonna stall too? Because what's interesting, given the intraday, I don't know where the dollar is gonna close, but we seem to be forming some kind of a double top on the dollar chart, and also on the RSI for the dollar. Seems to be some kind of a double top, and the same kind of scenario is developing on gold. So I don't know whether we are going to have an odd market where both gold and the dollar sell off, or maybe by the close the dollar is going to be trading higher. I really don't know. I have no idea. But anyway, how do we play this market right now? So let's look at the charts and how we play it.